We are so excited to have these diplomats joining us for almost a full week. It's a quite unique program. To my knowledge, it hasn't been organized before.
I heard about it during the summer, I think, and I just thought it was a great opportunity to meet other young Nordic diplomats. That's something that I'm based in Dar es Salaam now in Tanzania, and it's quite a few Nordic diplomats present, but not that many young diplomats. So I think that's a really good opportunity to meet, to network.
So I think through the group work, it was very interesting because I was approaching it from very much a project kind of from a project perspective, where some of my colleagues brought in a more kind of bigger geopolitical perspective. So it was very interesting to see those meet somewhere in the middle, and the outcome was our presentation. And then I think a personal particular treat for me was going down into the archives with Kalle. So shout out to Kalle, librarian, because I got to see documents from the 60s, 70s, which I'm pretty sure do not exist in Malawi anymore. So that was a particular treat. So the archives are a must go for everyone.
I think everything that has been mentioned so far by the scholars, it's really high quality academic research, and it makes me proud as a Nordic diplomat that we have this institution that we can draw knowledge from in our policy preparation.
Really interesting for me to hear insights from fellow Nordic colleagues and from an institute that sort of specializes in this dynamic, and hearing opportunities and challenges that might, that we can take in our work.
So we had like 4 different thematic sessions introduced by the researcher. I think that was really good. Having the presentations and then followed by discussion was really, really fruitful, because I think the value comes not just like hearing directly from the researcher, but also from the other Nordic colleagues. Having the connections made here, we can just like send an email and, hey, I would like to know more about this topic or something.
Another very important reason is that because of the geopolitical changes we see globally, Nordic and Africa relations are being reshaped. So right now, with this opportunity that we, with this 3-day program, is to also provide a platform for early career diplomats from all the Nordic countries to come together, network, but also engage in knowledge exchange with our researchers and colleagues here at the Nordic Africa Institute.